Ta mère.
Where we at?
Paris. Charles de Gaulle.
Hey. We're
Amador.
going home.
Yaks.
Are you excited to go home? Yeah, me too. What are you most excited for?
My friends.
Me too. My bed. I'm gonna eat a fat burger once
Yo,
we're
you better
inside.
not put this in the thing, bro.
Why?
I look like Burns.
So do
I
I.
look like 2021.
But you always look like a bum.
No, I don't.
Say hi to the vlog, mom. So excited to be home. It's my room. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Food is not ready for me. It's not ready. Are you excited for your treat?
Yes.
Is that a challenge?
Yes, we
Is
can.
that a challenge?
Yes, you can finish it.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
Oh
my god.
No more noodles. No more meat.
Where's the egg yolk? Where's the egg yolk?
You couldn't have taken mine.
I'm curious.
Okay. You very
Much. Oh my gosh, is that you? You look so cute. I did not accomplish the mission,
Yeah, you feel.
but I tried. Guys, I don't know what happened, but the food was not that good. It was not bust. It's okay, tomorrow's school. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I can't wait. So, let's go.
In your head, there's a chance that I'm a bad boy. That means.
Yes,
right?
because before any even 0.1% of a swear word, you go haram, haram.
I said there.
I know.
Would you rather me like crashing out each time I hear a swear word?
No, of course not. I will be disappointed if you do that. When you're not.
Bro, you remember?
Yes, see, that's what I need to say.
One time we went to dance class and the dance teacher, she put on the music and she forgot to put the clean version.
Yeah.
And then Maxim started crying because she was
No, I
swearing.
wasn't.
Yes, you were, bro. Happy birthday, Itch. To you. Happy birthday.
Shut up!
No, sorry, restart. Birthday to you. Woo! So, everyone say hi.
Hey!
That was back camera. So this is.
Queen.
Say your name.
I'm Rima.
Ooh, and I'm Ines.
I'm on episode 22. You know what's happening? What can I tell you what's happening? Right? Okay, basically, Kayla received a story from Casa Amor.
Oh, I did not go that far. Like, I didn't go to Casa Amor.
Oh, really?
Who'd you like in? Like, who's your favorite?
Who's my favorite? I really like Kayla and Serena.
I love Serena. Serena is Renee.
Like I so
She's such a
understand.
bad.
Yeah.
Oh, she came.
And I so understand. I so understand why Serena wants to take it slow. And
But
like,
Cordell is like her half. And continue. Everything got spoiled for me. Okay, we're gonna go to class.
Where's it? No face. No face. No face. And I saw no face, no face. Yeah, it is that. No! It's okay, it's okay. 2, 1. You got 15? Okay, let's go. No face. No face. Okay. No face. Je termine.
Attends. Come. one where you so guys, what are we doing? We're gonna go to the beach.
To the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go anywhere. They're gonna say.
You look so tanned. It's like red. Don't worry. Dana. We did forget you. Don't worry.
Mais je pense que le north isn't even that big.
I'm not laughing. I just heard the.
Oui, moi aussi.
Après, je vais pleurer quand je vais voir son seul.
Non, c'est pas grave.
So cute. Guys, the ice cream.
C'est là où t'allais mourir.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
But that's crazy.
I can't breathe. Of laughter ou bien?
But we no, why?
Mais I can't breathe.
I can't breathe. There's no one. Say hi. I'm not waiting for you guys anymore. We're doing.
Yeah.
You want?
No, just my neck is like, you can see the. C'est pas comme ça dans la photo. You got the same.
I don't forget. Guys, what is this? The size of my hand and my palm.
You guys want your bracelets?
Yes!
Okay, so.
Est-ce que c'est pour les pieds?
This is mine. Wait, should I just keep the purple? Because red doesn't.
So I don't have your shell.
Monday.
I don't know. Yeah, Monday.
Oh, so you did end up buying.
Oh, there's so much summer vibes.
And this one, Nayla made.
What did you get? You guys want to
I literally got 4. Yo, are you gonna win a surprise?
And that's medium. So it would be this.
I guarantee.
Is this real? Is this real? Oh, sorry.
It is?
Yeah.
This?